This is a stretch slash movement to stretch the anterior portion of your body, pretty much everything from the front all the way up here. So we can undo this type of a position and lengthen it this way. For it, you may want something just to protect your knee. Polka dot socks are not necessary, but they are recommended. Okay, this could be a door frame. This could be walking from a door or a wall, anything you want, but it's good to have a marker so you can monitor your progress. We're going to put the sponge or whatever is to protect our knee, the length of the lower portion of our leg away from the surface that we intend to touch. Now the goal is to touch this, but there's no rush. Now when I'm set up in this position, I'm going to posteriorly tilt my pelvis. I'm going to come around here for a second, guys. I'm going to roll my pelvis underneath and squeeze this butt cheek, and this is a constant, so I'm constantly contracting this glute for the whole exercise. I don't push my hip forward, so my hip, this portion of my body here, will stay right above my knee the whole time, so there should be a straight line coming up here, and I initiate the stretch by doing this tilt, squeezing my bum, and that stays like that the whole time. Bonus points for taking out the discrepancy in the height of the hip by dropping this. So when I do it, I end up like this, then I must straighten up, posterior tilt. Cool, I'm set to go. My goal now is to touch this thing here, be it your door frame or wall, with these fingers, as high up as I can go. Now, I know I have the range to do it. When you're starting this, you may end up feeling some form of pull somewhere along here. You're not ready to push through it too much. You just breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and over time, maybe sessions or weeks, you will get there, you will get to touch it. I think the perfect stretch for this would be this hand touching whatever I'm reaching, and this hand touching here, my heel. So the stretch in its fullest would be 1, 2, 3. It's really important to reach up really high so as not to dump into the lower back, not to flex or compress the spine this way, because you could do damage. You're going to go as high as you can. So it's not a bad idea to have some marker that you want to go above every time. At this point, I can use the circles. When I have 10 done on my right leg, I can switch it up and start again. Do 10 on my left leg, posterior tilt. Squeeze my glute, reaching up, boom. Bonus points for touching with this hand. That's the stretch. It'll be a good one for after a day of driving, sitting. It's a nice one to add to your undesking list of movements. Happy stretching.